Hello students, in this video let's learn our next poem, Rain in Summer. So we all like rain, right? Everybody used to enjoy rain. The two, rain in summer. Summer, it's the hottest season. So that time when you get a rain, how nice it would be. So this poet Longfellow, H.W. Longfellow, he describes how the rain in summer would be. So let's move to the poem. First stanza. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. So how the poet starts? How beautiful is the rain. Okay, it's a exclamatory sentence. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street. So how the summer used to be? The summer used to be very hot and the wind will be very hot and dusty. Okay, in the broad and fiery street. So the street itself will be very hot. Comparatively, when you go outside, the heat will be very much more. Okay, fiery means hot. Fiery street means hot street. In the narrow lane. Lane means, nowadays we used to say layout, no? Our street. That is called lane. In the narrow lane. So when you see outside, out of your house on the street, how beautiful is the rain. Okay, day full of very hot and heat. So this rain comes in a beautiful way. So let's move to next stanza. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. So after the rain, okay, the rain have started coming. So how it feels. Now the poet starts to explain. How it clatters along the roofs. Clatters means rapid knocking sound. Okay, so how the sound will be? It will be like a knocking sound on the roof. Okay, this sound we can't hear with the concrete roofs, but take it like a roof of that huts and all, hut or that sheets. So in that the sound will be very much loud and you can hear easily. Okay, so the clatter means a rapid sound along the roofs. Okay, how the sound is going to be? It's a sound of it's like the tramp of hoofs. Okay, hoofs means this is what? Okay, for the cattle and all, they have at the bottom of the foot, no, like a wood-like structure, that is called hoofs. With this, when they walk on any wood or any solid surface, how the sound will be? Okay, like that sound, it can be heard on the roof because of the rain. Okay, so the poet compares the sound of the rain on the roof with the sound of the hoofs of the horse. Okay, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. So the water which is on the roof, how it comes down? It will comes through the spout. Spout means a pipe to throw out the water from the roof. Okay, in the rhymes also it will come, no, Incy Wincy Spider, that spout only. So the pipe which connects from the roof to the ground. Okay, so the rainwater which flows on the roof have to be come to the ground. So how it will come? It will come through the pipe which is called spout. So through that, the water will come with great force. Okay, it struggles. So much of water is there. It struggles and come out through the throat of the spout. Okay, so it overflows from the spout. So much of water is there on the roof. That's why it struggles and it will come out of the spout. Now last stanza. Across the window pane, it pours and pours. and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain. So, if we watch through the window, okay, window pane means the glass which we have on the window. Through that, if you see the rain means it pours and pours. Okay, how it rains? It will be raining heavily, so that the water will be flowing very fast, and that is why it's called swift and wide. Okay, swift means very fast. The water is coming very fast with a muddy tide. Tide means fast flowing only. Okay, so the water from roof and everywhere, so it will be coming very fast. You can see through the window, like a river down the gutter roars. Okay, as if a river is flowing, how the sound will be, like that sound you can hear on the gutter. Gutter means it's a channel, water channel, which is at the side of the roads and all. Okay, so in nowadays also we can see in the streets, right, where the wastewater is going. Okay, that place only the rainwater also flows in the street. Okay, so the water everywhere from all over the place, that will come to the gutter and it will go, right. So it is like a roar. Who will roar? The lions will roar, no? Like that sound this gutter is making. Okay, so all the water from the nearby places, everything will flow because of that, like a river sound. It can be heard in the gutter. The rain, the welcome rain. Okay, so this is not the normal rainy season. It's a summer. So it's very surprising for the poet, so he calls it the welcome rain. Okay, so it's wanted at that season, so he is welcoming the rain. So with this the poem ends. Okay, here are the glossaries. You have to learn these new words. Okay, with this I'll end this video. Thank you, children.